Right. So when we are working on the Jira administration side, because in the previous sessions we discussed about the script runner part, Groovy scripting, all that. That's already covered. Wherein in this, so we are going to discuss about what are the different apps that we can see, right? So we can identify, right? So what are the different apps do we have? Multiple apps that we can see, right? So for if you want to manage any kind of apps, etc. So the Jira administration, you can manage the apps as well. So that is one thing that can be done. Next, at the same time, even AI enability also increased because artificial intelligence enability is also increased now and then, especially when we are working on these, right? So because we can implement and we can involve artificial intelligence for identifying the tracks, etc. Right. So everything that we can do. So AI-enabled apps, these were the different AI-enabled apps we have. It's already which has predefined apps we have. So that even to have knowledge more over the Jira administration, more of artificial intelligence point of view, these apps and understanding these apps and working on these apps are advisable. Okay, so we can do that. So this is one thing that we can do. In addition to this, even security is also important, right? So user security I'm referring to because what are the different authentication policies, understanding over uh, authentication policies by verifying the domain. That is even equally important because from an admin point of view, I'm referring because now and then understanding the safety security of the application is becoming high important. So authentication policies, running those authentication policies by verifying the domains, etc. Everything that one must be knowing, including who are the external users, right? So what are the access policies we have, identifying the providers. So everything, this idea is also required. This is all something which is needed as well, including any kind of data protection, identify providers, right? So data classifications, everything that we can do, including what are the security policies that we are performing, right? So all these things we must be knowing, including HIPAA compliances, encryptions, data security policies. These are all required from an admin point of view. When we are working on this, these are all something that we must be good and familiar with. This is what we must be knowing. Additional skill sets apart from configuration, speed levels, etc. So these are all skill sets is becoming mandatory nowadays for any Jira admins